During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. For listening to NOAA Weather Radio. The current time is 11 on every Wednesday between 8.
All the time, so I feel like my dad is with me. To be the nation.
During potentially dangerous, specially built receivers will activate to warn of impending weather. Radio warning alarm will normally weather service on every Wednesday, a.m. and noon. If possible, the test next good weather day. Activated for weather warning, hazards, and special non-weather counties, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and adjacent.
Se está hablando
Y tại sao
la de Canaán y
our film. So coming up. 네.
식욕이 확 자극이 되면서
진짜.
Por tanto, no seas insensato, sino
Southwestern California, Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including islands. A test signal was broadcast to test public warning. Following 10 a.m. to noon each weather permitting. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Bernardino.